everybody. Jimmy with 2 to the top crane. And right now we are in our 8-ton Broderson. And this is an old machine. I think this machine and I are about the same age. Any of you crane hands out there will know that this Broderson's old enough it doesn't even have an anti-tube lock on it. So that'll give you an idea of the age. But also these Brodies, you'll hear it in a second, so don't be alarmed. All of them have pretty squeaky brakes. But I don't typically get any footage of these because when we're using them, we're generally using them in industrial facility where we can't record. So let's see. Yank this off here, see if I can get you guys an overview of the controls here. Okay, so that's cable up and down. These two are the outriggers, right side, left side. There's not individual outrigger controls on this, it's just left or right side. This raises and lowers the boom, telescope, retract, swing right, swing left. And I gotta try to position you guys where you can see what I'm doing here. How am I gonna do that? I don't know, I'll figure it out. Okay, we'll see if this will get it. I'm going to move you guys up on top of the cage above my head so you can see a little better. What's that?
So easy.
Still have the hose hooked up? I guess the old Brody would have pulled it out of there. Then we would have got a new seal kit and a new hose. Ready? Contact. give everybody a quick tour of this beast. So that's why it's called a carry deck. It's got that big deck up there you can carry stuff on. Little 4-cylinder Ford. And this is heavy. That was loud. So yeah, we rebuilt that one, and then this one started leaking. Go figure. Here's a tour of the awesome cab in this thing with load chart and range diagram. Let's see if it'll focus on that. So this thing with the 3-section boom at a 5-foot load radius on outriggers will pick up 17,000 pounds. So 8.5 tons. It's an IC81B, and I'm not sure when it was built, but it was built, I wanted to say late 70s, early 80s. But they're great little machines. So now we'll go on a road trip. Before we can tear this cylinder apart. It's a mess from our last project. Raise that up so no one hits their head on